Well, there are two things you need to notice. The first thing is very important. You can't make it distract to the mandible. No, this is forbidden. You can use it in this triangle. The corner is 15 degrees to 45 degrees. 45 degrees. And another thing is that you cannot bend the fiber laser. Okay, this is forbidden. You cannot bend. And this fiber cable is very important. You cannot bend it. And now we will close the machine. So turn the key switch. Then 这就可以了，就关机了。